You looking fine, boy. Get over here and let me see you.
Tanya, do you ever clean your raggedy bitch ass up?
Fuck you, Lamar. I mean, Franklin or whatever. Everybody on the block knows you gone on Vinewood and shit.
Well, shit, if going Vinewood means I ain't hitting the pipe like 1992, then shit, I'm guilty as charged.
Punk ass.
What?
Bitch ass.
Excuse me?
Look, I'm sorry, but where's your love for the hood? JB ain't doing good. He needs help. We need your help, nigga. We gonna lose everything.
All right.
Shit.
What do I gotta do?
Same as before, boo. A little help with the tow truck. Nothing for a real man like you.
All right. You just get yourself together. Your ass done went crazy.
So where you parked?
Are we having your world-famous pork chops again tomorrow?
You never could say no to me, Franklin Clinton. I ain't so cracked out I don't remember that night behind the burger shop.
Not this again. What, we was like 13?
But you was a man after that night.
Damn, every time with this shit. And nothing even happened.
It's all good, baby. I know that wound ain't healed. That's our truck. You know the drill. Dispatch, what you got?
10-4. We got an SUV in a handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker in Little Seoul. Do you copy?
You know I don't copy. I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Man, you sure you need me? Cause you look like you know what you doing.
One, I can't drive. And two, this ain't no work for a lady.
Oh, you really fighting the feminist cause there, ain't you, Tanya?
Like your aunt, you mean? I saw her fake jogging the other day, chanting some whacked out nonsense. That bitch is crazy.
Yeah, that we can't agree on.
And I got qualifications, honey.
Like hell you do.
I got a certificate in cosmology. You never seen my nails.
What, you going into space now?
You always did think you were so clever. Remember Davis High? You didn't learn shit at that school.
And you got your math on the corner in Davis. Man, you hit me!
We're on, boo. Let's move it out. You gone and lost the car, nigga.
Come on. I was only parked there for a minute.
no dick.
This ain't a job for making new friends, is it?
I thought you been into some repo work.
Yeah, that's true. Same shit, but nicer cars.
It's an honest dollar, and there ain't many of those around.
An honest dollar that I ain't seen yet. Man, JB need to get his head straight.
JB's going through a hard time.
A hard time sitting on his ass smoking crack.
I gotta keep his hours up. Word is they gonna sell the business. A new owner ain't good news for the drivers with no papers. JB sold his social for a piece 2 years back.
I see the problem, but I just don't see that as... Oh, damn! But I just don't see that as mine.
You too good to cover a brother now?
I'm here, ain't I? I've been covering that brother for 20 years.
Drop it in the marked area. Same as before, honey. That's whack. Ain't you learned nothing last time? I'll make it up to you, Franklin. You know I will. See you round. Girl, don't even get me started. JB, again, can't get his shit together. I don't know why I don't kick that man to the curb. Useless, don't even do it justice. Oh, what's good with you anyways? You still with that fly guy from Carson Avenue? Dondrea? Are you for real? You mean Lahandra's ex-sister? That girl is...
Hey, don't make me commit a 187, homie.
Jeez. No effing. Ah! Dirt bag. What? Oh shit.
Not the car!
¡Qué chingados!
So you real mean, huh?
Fuck you, whatever.
Okay then, fool.
Fuck.
You punk-ass bitches done now! Shoot me! say I'm a disgrace to society? Motherfucker.
You damn fool!
Man, I'm sorry, fool. Look the fuck out.
Watch out! Damn you!
Hey, what? You nut job?
Watch out!
Slow down!
Shit, dude!
Going to
Insane!
Man, you pathetic, fool. Man, you a genetic experiment gone wrong, dawg.
Can't wait to have that drink
Man, you
next
suck.
weekend. Hey, Eve.
Hey, you lame, dawg.
I'm so over this. I'm calling
Lame
the
ass
police.
bitch.
Hey, yeah, there's a really
Man, you
bad
ain't nothing but
vibe
a
going
punk.
down here.
Ah, shit, no. I missed fame or shame.
Punk.
Probably not.
My vintage shiny.
And people say I'm a disgrace to society. Damn, 5-0.
I'm not going to accept the pilot.
Copy that. We're in the vicinity.
It's practically a lock to get picked up in the fall.
That ass is fat.
Network TV is for losers.
Hi.
Golly.